It is the feeling sometimes that you feel, you think that you don't have your life in your hands because there are too many external influences that are like, let's say, influencing us. The decisions of the government, the policies that they are bringing out, the development in the world, the colleagues at the work, everybody, your wife, your husband, whoever, they all influence you. But if that is the case, I would just ask myself the following question. If the way how you feel about yourself walking through daily life, if you are not satisfied with it and you want to change something about it, there are now two ways. Either you take it into your hands, or you try to change all these external stimuli, all these external influences, to adjust them in such a way that they are going to behave in the way how you expect them to behave. So the colleagues should be exactly how you imagine your colleagues to be. The government should bring out exactly the policies that you want them to bring out. The world is going to develop exactly the way how you imagine it should happen. And now I just ask you, which of these two ways, changing yourself or trying to change the outside world, which of these two ways do people think is the more realistic one?
Yourself.
So that's the bottom line. Very simple. The realization, of course, it's natural if you don't think about exactly this type of thinking. Of course, it's normal that we are being influenced by external things until you realize there is no way that you could ever change all of this on the outside.